In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently select slides in Google Slides using a few different methods. Whether you're dealing with non-adjacent slides, adjacent slides, or perhaps you need to select all the slides in your presentation, I've got you covered. Let's start by exploring the first method for those situations where your slides aren't next to each other in the slide thumbnail pane. First, open up your Google Slides presentation. Once you have it open, you're going to want to hold down the Control key or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While holding the key, you can go ahead and click on each individual slide you want to select over on the left-hand side in the slide thumbnail pane. Doing this allows you to select multiple slides without them having to be next to one another. When you have all your desired slides highlighted, simply right-click on one of them. This will bring up a menu where you have various options like duplicating, deleting, or even applying a new layout to the group of slides you've selected. Let's move on to Method 2, which is perfect for when you need to select slides that are all lined up next to each other. Start by clicking on the first slide in your sequence over in the slide thumbnail pane. After that, you're going to hold down the Shift key. With the Shift key pressed, click on the last slide in the range of slides you want to choose. What this does is select every slide in between the first and last slides you clicked on. Once again, you can right-click to bring up that menu with options like duplicate or delete. It's straightforward and super efficient for handling adjacent slides. Now let's talk about how to select all the slides in your presentation, which brings us to Method 3. If you need to have every single slide highlighted, start by clicking on any one of them in the slide thumbnail pane. Then, simply press Ctrl and A simultaneously, or Command and A if you're using a Mac. This shortcut will immediately highlight every slide in your presentation. With all slides selected, you can right-click to perform any actions you need across the board. Finally, Method 4 offers an alternative for selecting all slides using the menu bar. Click on any slide to start, then navigate to the top of your screen where the Edit menu resides. Click on Edit, and within the drop-down menu, you'll find the Select All option. Choosing this will highlight all the slides in your presentation. This method might be particularly useful if you're more comfortable using menu options than keyboard shortcuts. And there you have it. 4 different methods to effectively select slides in your Google Slides presentation. Each approach is designed to match different scenarios you might encounter while working on your slides. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your presentations that much easier to manage.